How to turn on or off airplane mode on an Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn airplane mode on or off on your Android device in just a few simple steps. There are two easy methods you can use. The first method is through the Quick Settings panel. Simply swipe down from the top of the screen to open Quick Settings, then tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. To turn it off, just tap the same icon again. The second method is through the Settings app. Open Settings on your phone, then tap on More Connections or the airplane mode setting, depending on your software version. Next, tap the toggle switch next to airplane mode to turn it on or off. When airplane mode is enabled, your device will disconnect from mobile networks, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth unless you manually turn them back on. That's it. You've successfully turned airplane mode on or off on your Android phone. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.